Are you still driving an internal combustion engine car in 2023? If you are interested in joining the EV bandwagon, lucky you! You have a wide variety of options to choose from. The majority of major automakers want to phase out gas guzzlers as early as 2030 totally. So there has never been a better moment to buy an electric vehicle than right now, as charging times continue to get faster and infrastructure continues to improve. Whether you're looking for an electric car, SUV or truck, you'll discover that the electric vehicles that made it onto our list for 2023 are capable, efficient and yes, thrilling. So which cars are we talking about? Number 1. BMW i4. The all-electric BMW i4 is a significant addition to BMW's growing lineup of electric vehicles. It combines the design of the 4 Series Grand Coupe in addition to a potent battery powertrain and extremely refined driving capabilities, all of which combine to make it a combination that has won a 10 Best Award. There are 3 distinct variations of the i4 model. The first 2 are single-motor rear-drive models, with the eDrive 35 providing 280 horsepower and an EPA estimated range of 260 miles, and the eDrive 40 producing 335 horsepower and an expected range of 300 miles. This number falls to 245 miles when equipped with the sporty all-wheel drive to produce a 536 horsepower i4 M50. The M50 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 3.3 seconds, which is faster by 0.2 seconds than an M3 competition. When it is not used on a racing track, which is good for your adrenaline, the i4 is an admirable daily driver. The BMW i4 is an exhilarating and polished vehicle that provides a comfortable ride and highly rewarding sports sedan handling. Number 2. Cadillac Lyriq. The Cadillac Lyriq SUV is Cadillac's first attempt to break into the premium electric vehicle market, and it comes equipped with a contemporary interior design and sleek exterior appearance. Variants with a single-motor rear-wheel drive and variants with dual-motor all-wheel drive will be made available, with the former providing a range of up to 312 miles on a single charge. The Lyriq has been designed from the ground up to ride on the new scalable battery architecture that General Motors has developed. This architecture enables both DC rapid charging and standard in-home connections to recharge the battery. The Lyriq's capabilities are less concerned with outright performance and instead emphasize comfort, quietness and elegance. Although it has a classy interior design and plenty of room for passengers, the Lyriq's cargo area is smaller than competing SUVs. Number 3. Ford F-150 Lightning. If you crank up the volume on the audio system of the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning, it's possible that you could overlook the fact that this pickup truck is propelled by electricity. When you put your foot down on the accelerator though, you will realize that the Lightning is not your typical gasoline-powered F-150. The instant and enormous torque produced by the electric motors will slam you back into the seat. Aside from that, the Lightning is virtually identical to the standard F-150 in every other respect, and it offers virtually the same features and capabilities. The Lightning has the same outside and inside appearance as the previous F-150s, despite having a completely different chassis. Every model includes a pair of electric motors, each of which can be powered by one of 2 different battery packs. The powertrain generates a staggering 580 horsepower when the extended range battery is installed. With this powertrain, the Lightning accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds. Towing a trailer quickly depletes the battery, so you'll need to make numerous stops to charge it if you want to stay within the driving range assessed by the EPA, which ranges from 230 miles with the base battery to 320 miles with the larger battery. This disadvantage is typical of electric pickups, and competitors like the GMC Hummer EV SUT and the Rivian R1T don't do much better either. Number 4. Ford Mustang Mach-E. The 2023 Ford Mustang Mach-E has much to offer buyers who want a crossover but are eager to get behind the wheel of an electric vehicle. This is because the vehicle can be configured in a variety of different ways and comes with a variety of different equipment packages. Customers in this category can also select either the feature-packed premium model or the GT variant with its enhanced capabilities. Although it is not a Mustang as its name suggests, the Mach-E can still be characterized as nimble and swift. In addition, it has an appealing appearance, a comfortable interior that is outfitted with all the most up-to-date gizmos and gadgets, and an appropriate range and capabilities. Ford claims that the Mustang Mach-E can drive more than 300 miles before requiring a charge, and the GT Performance model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. Number 5. Genesis GV60. The gratifying and whimsical 2023 Genesis GV60 crossover will be the vehicle that takes the aspirational luxury brand in the luxury electric vehicle category. The GV60 takes aesthetics cues from other Genesis models, but does not have the brand's signature huge trapezoidal grille that runs between the dual element headlamps. Instead, it has a narrower lower grille and runs across the front bumper. A massive monolithic display panel that serves as both the gauge cluster and the entertainment system give the impression that the interior of the GV60's cabin has been designed with a premium experience in mind. Prospective purchasers can select the 314 horsepower Advanced or the 429 horsepower Performance trim, with the expected driving range per charge ranging from 235 to 248 miles. Although other luxury SUVs such as the Audi Q4 e-tron, the Volvo XC40 Recharge and the coupe-like C40 Recharge offer a similar level of status and driving range, the GV60 is an intriguing and offbeat option with humorous touches. Number 6. Kia EV6. The 2023 Kia EV6 navigates its way through the EV market with athletic road manners and a daring design that are all its own. The standard drivetrain configuration is rear-wheel drive. However, all-wheel drive models are more powerful and can be equipped with a larger battery pack that allows for a maximum range of 310 miles. It has quick handling, especially for an SUV, which makes driving it on back roads a lot of fun. The new GT model released this year is the best choice for aggressive drivers because it has 576 horsepower, which is enough to make the owners of the Stinger model envious as it passes them. While all this is going on, the inside of the EV6 keeps its quiet demeanour and is sufficiently roomy to warrant the EV6's position among SUV competitors such as the Ford Mustang Mach-E, the Ioniq 5 and the Volkswagen ID.4. Number 7. Lucid Air. The 2023 Lucid Air luxury sedan is one of the few that has made a noteworthy effect so far, although other startup companies have introduced electric vehicles to disrupt the transportation market. It can give an unbeatable range and great performance thanks to its large battery and small motors, both of which were designed and built in-house. According to the estimates provided by the EPA, the Grand Touring Performance model has an estimated driving range of 516 miles and can reach 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. However, if driven more moderately, it may continue for much longer. That's sufficient capacity to travel from Boston to Baltimore and still have some left over. More importantly, it has a longer range than any other electric vehicle on the market. The new Sapphire model is significantly speedier than its predecessor, with a stated timing of less than 2.0 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. The sleek design and roomy cabin of the Air contribute to its popularity, but for the price tag, we were anticipating finding better materials in the interior. Number 8. Tesla Model S. Even while freshly developed competitors provide more extravagant amenities and longer driving ranges than the 2023 Tesla Model S, the Model S remains a competitive option in the market. After all, a single charge of the Model S can potentially bring the vehicle's range up to 405 miles. In addition, the 1,020 horsepower tri-motor performance model of the Plaid can reach 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds, the same acceleration as a hypercar that costs millions of dollars. On the other hand, cutting-edge rivals like the BMW i4 and the Lucid Air have stolen a significant portion of the focus from Tesla. On the other hand, the Model S also has a price tag in the six figures, which does not make sense given its mid-luxury interior level, especially when contrasted with the luxurious interiors of the Lucid and the BMW. Despite this, the 2023 Model S will continue to serve as the company's flagship product. It will continue to provide access to the company's most recent software in addition to Tesla's advanced, although questionable, hands-free driving mode, the Autopilot. That's all from this video. Which of these models impresses you the most? See you in the next one.